Everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. I want to show you a cool trick that you could use to remove dog hair or cat hair out of seats. This is interior of the car, and this previous owner had dogs in the car. So we try to vacuum it. It's very ineffective. The best way to do it, I'll show you, is you could use a squeegee. I just use a glove. You could get this at any dollar store, even grocery store. People use these to wash dishes and things like that. So just get a glove like that, put it on, and I'm going to show you what you got to do. Just basically start rubbing the seat. And keep rubbing it, and you will see how all the hair keeps on coming off. And you get it basically, it gets into a clump like this, and it just all falls off. All you got to do, just keep working on it. Look at that. You can see how nicely it collects here. As you can see that? And you can see how the seat is clean afterwards. So I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to share with you what is the easiest way to remove dog hair. You just got to work it, but very effective way. Once again, thanks for watching.